I can feel the magic floating in the air. Being with you gets me that way. I watch the sunlight dance across your face, and I've never been this swept away. All my thoughts just seem to settle on the breeze when I'm lying wrapped up in your arms. The whole world just fades away, and the only thing I hear is the beating of your heart. And I can feel you breathe, it's watching over me. And suddenly I'm melting into you. There's nothing left to prove, and baby, all we need is just to be caught up in the touch, slow and steady rush. Baby, isn't that the way that love's supposed to be? I can feel you breathe.
Kilala kami dahil sa brother niya. Actually, ano lang dahil sa screen server nung kapatid niya. Then tinanong ko yung brother niya, sino yun? Sino yung kasama mo? Sabi pa nga nung una, girlfriend niya. Alam naman ng mga kasama ko kung sino talaga yung girlfriend niya. So, sinabi niya rin na, na kapatid na niya. So, tinanong ko siya, may boyfriend mo yung kapatid mo? Sabi naman niya, pagkakaalam niya raw, wala. So, yun, hiningi ko yung kung pwedeng makuha yung email. Sabi naman niya, itatanong na muna daw niya.
Sinag ko sa Friendster kung okay siya. Okay naman. Sige kuya, ibigay mo na, okay na.
That time, nasa work ako, sa Myanmar pa ako nun. And then, yun, 1 month email. And then after nun, natapos yung project namin. Isang buwang tawag naman.
Oo, mga 1-2 oras na po. Yun.
Araw-araw
din yun.
Pagdating ng Maynila, tawag ulit. Tapos pupunta ng Buwak pa. Pero mo, first time ko sa Buwak. Pupunta lang. Sino ba naman hindi maano? Talagang pupunta ka doon para lang ma-meet mo yung isang babae. Ang layo-layo. Ako di ko alam yung lugar. Pero sige lang.
Ba't mo ginawa yun?
Siyempre gusto rin kitang ma-meet na talaga. Sa first meeting namin.
Kasi ako, medyo kinakabahay. Kasi parang, ko ba nung gano'n na maiilang ko, mahihiya. Ito parang feeling ko barkada lang. Sabi ko, uy, parang...
Tapos gaganunin ka. Para ba ang dating ang sungit mo?
Kasi nandito ako, nandun siya. Nakatalikod. So, kahit na lapitan ko siya, parang feeling ko matagal ko na siyang kakilala.
Masasabi kong mahal ko siya kasi namimiss mo na yung tao Isang email lang na wala. Parang hirap makatulog. Tama sabi natin soulmate.
Kasi ang dami namin something in common na, talaga, ganun ka. Ganun din ako Ganun, laging ganun. Noong una, gusto ko, 2 lang sana. Kambal, isang babae, isang lalaki. Parang ang hirap na. Kaso siya naman, gusto niya 4.
Gusto ko 4. Kasi the more the merrier.
The more the merrier.
Mas maganda rin yun. Pag nagre-reunion,
masaya,
mas masaya, di ba? Sana maging masaya ka lagi kahit na wala ako. Alam mo naman yung work ko. Na lagi kang nandyan. Lagi mo kong iisipin. Lagi mo kong mamimiss. I'm happy for us. Mahal kita.
Kasalanan kay Lord sana. Bigyan niyo ko forever and ever. Together forever. Parang feeling ko answered prayer. Kasi lang. So yun.
Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart. Like, why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. But tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we got to do, but places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. I believe in memories, they look so pretty when I sleep, day now and when I wake up, you look so pretty, sleeping next to me. But there is not enough time, and there is no song I could sing, and there is no combination of words I could say, but I will still tell you one thing, we're better together.